Good morning, pupils. Today we are going to learn, in mathematics we are going to learn about geometry. Under geometry, we are going to learn about bisecting a line, on how to bisect a line. First of all, can somebody remind us on what we did yesterday? Yes? Very good. Yesterday we learned about angles at a point. So, today we are going to learn on how to bisect a line. First of all, the materials that we need to use when we are bisecting a line, one of them is one I'm carrying on my hand. How do we call it? Very good. This is a ruler. Then we shall have this, a pair of compass. Hope that you have yours, and yours is smaller than mine. So, when you want to construct or bisect a line, first of all, you need to have a line which you want to bisect. A line which you want to bisect. Therefore, that is a line that we want to bisect. The line should be also labeled. You mark the lines. And this is the line. The point that we have marked, we can name them as C and E. Therefore, we have line CE. We want to bisect line CE. After you have drawn that, take your pair of compass with any center, with any radius. Take C as their center. Take C as the center. Put a mark above the line. Are we together? You can even widen it more so that we have something clear. You can widen it even more than the half of our line. Can you see? Half of our line. So, put a mark above line C, E, maintaining the center C, put a mark below the line CE. Are we together? Don't change the radius. Don't change the radius of our compass. With the radius, stand at E and take point E at the center again. Put a mark to cross the other mark above line CE. Also come maintaining the radius. Put a mark, make an arc, crossing the initial arc below line CE. With that, you'll realize that we have two axes. crossing each other. Name them. Let us have this one to be X, and the one that is below the line to be Y. Are we together? Very good. From there, pick your ruler. Mine is here. The ruler, we're going to use the ruler to join at point X and point Y to have a straight line. In fact, a ruler enables us to have a straight line. So, join X and Y. Want to join them? X and Y. You join it neatly. We have joined very neatly. Can see very straight. X and Y. Very straight. So, look at our diagram. Look at our construction here. You'll see point. We have C, E. Then we have X, Y. These are lines. But there's a point here where the line X, Y meet line C, E. That point, let us label it to be point P. Therefore, we have another point, P. Because of point P now, point P again brings another line. We have line C, P, and line P, E. Now, from our construction, we need to measure line CE so that we get the measurements. Let us start. CE. Let us measure CE. Mine is 24 centimeters. Let us go to XY. We have 22 centimeters. Let us go to CP. Very good. I have 12 centimeters. Let us go to PE. Very good. I've got it to be 12 centimeters. Now look at this. We have, from our construction, we can now observe that CE is 24 centimeters and CP is 12 centimeters. So, we will realize that CP is a half of CE. Is it true? CP is a half of CE. PE is a half of CE. Are we together? Now, from our construction, we'll realize that point P is the center of CE, and therefore, we call point P to be the midpoint. midpoint. What's a midpoint? It's a point whereby a line is divided into two. Midpoint. The middle point. Now, you realize that now line XY divides line CE into two equal parts. Line XY divides line CE into two equal parts. Therefore, line XY is known as a bisector line. Line XY, now we have line XY is a bisector line. A bisector line. What's a bisector line? It's a line that divides another line into two equal parts. So, from our construction, with the figure we have on our blackboard, you realize that XY drops or meets line CE at a right angle. Therefore, you will realize that angle XPE is 90 degrees. Why? Because that line meets at point P, line XY meet at point P at a right angle. Sawa. Very good. Therefore, line XY is a bisector line. Therefore, to bisect a line simply means to divide a line into two equal parts. To bisect a line simply means to divide a line into two equal parts. Therefore, we have now angle XPC is equal to 90 degrees. Same as angle XPE is equal to 90 degrees. Now from our construction we realize that these are very true. I want to do more practices on such question. Therefore, apart from the name bisector line, XY is also known as perpendicular bisector. Is also known as perpendicular bisector. Apart from the name bisector line, line XY is also known as perpendicular bisector. And up to there, I would like to end our lesson today. Up to next time, thank you very much.